Welcome to the AI series dedicated to the life sciences fraternity by Dr. Vidyasagar Kasagani, CEO of SolutionsMax Technology Services Inc. In today's session, let's delve into the indispensable practices of quality assurance and controls within the pharmaceutical industry, as they serve as the backbone and security agents for the firm's compliance. Let's kick off with a question. How can AI contribute to quality management systems, QMS, and compliance practices? AI can significantly enhance quality management practices within pharmaceutical firms through data analysis and predictive analytics, analyzing large volumes of data from various sources to identify patterns and predict potential quality issues, enabling proactive quality management. Automation of quality control processes utilizes AI-powered systems to automate quality control processes, such as visual inspection of pharmaceutical products, reducing the need for manual intervention and minimizing the risk of human error. Enhanced regulatory compliance assists pharmaceutical companies in maintaining compliance with complex and evolving regulatory requirements, thereby reducing the risk of non-compliance and associated penalties. Real-time monitoring and surveillance enables real-time monitoring of manufacturing processes, promptly alerting operators to deviations from predefined quality parameters and allowing for immediate corrective actions. Improved risk management proactively mitigates risks associated with product quality, supply chain disruptions, and regulatory non-compliance by analyzing historical data and identifying risk factors. Enhanced efficiency streamlines quality management processes with AI, reducing the time and resources required for manual inspections and analysis. Improved product quality contributes to the production of higher quality pharmaceutical products by detecting defects and deviations early. Cost savings achieves cost savings through reduced downtime and improved resource utilization with the automation and predictive maintenance capabilities of AI. Compliance adherence helps pharmaceutical companies stay compliant with regulatory standards and minimizing the risk of non-compliance-related penalties through AI-powered QMS. Personalized medicine enables personalized medicine by analyzing patient data to tailor treatment plans to individual patients' needs, thereby improving patient outcomes and reducing healthcare costs. By leveraging these capabilities, AI can transform quality management practices in pharmaceutical firms, enhancing efficiency, ensuring compliance, and improving product quality. Introducing PharmaMax Ecosystem Solutions, your all-inclusive platform designed to manage the entirety of the pharmaceutical supply chain. Say farewell to the headaches of multiple software systems with compatibility and integration issues, as well as the expense of corporate solutions. Embrace our single ecosystem, the world's first one-stop solution tailored specifically for your firm's needs. Say hello to efficiency, simplicity, and peace of mind. Experience top-notch support services from world-class engineers who are dedicated to guiding you every step of the way. Visit us at pharmamax.org.